Today is Monday, the 21st of March. We are installing the kitchen cabinets as we said yesterday we would. So that's happening. And also in the bathroom, we're installing the vanities. We're protecting the kitchen and bathroom cabinets and the floor and the openings to the rest of the house because we will be priming the walls and we don't want primer to go anywhere else. We're doing a custom installation for the window trims. We are matching the rest of the house and putting it on the new windows. This week we installed the kitchen cabinets. So we have the wine fridge, the range, the hood, microwave, glass doors, refrigerator. Here in the aisle is dishwasher, sink, trash bin. And we also had some progress on the window trims and the floor of the bathroom cabinets, linen closet, and also the shower walls with a subway tile, the shampoo box, the bench, and also the pony wall with the 6x6 tiling, and also the floor on the toilet room. We pull out the openings for all the lights that are going in the master bedroom, the bathroom, and in the kitchen. Next week we're gonna be working on the doors and also painting the kitchen cabinets and bathroom cabinets. Thank you for watching. See you next week.